In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom buttons with links in specific products and the shop page in Woocommerce on WordPress. This is a fantastic way to enhance your site's functionality and make your store pages more interactive and user-friendly. So, let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to WordPress.com. It's essential to ensure you're on the WordPress website, as this is where everything begins for your site building journey. Once you're there, click on the Login button. You'll find this option prominently displayed, making it easy to access your dashboard. Enter your login credentials and hit Enter to proceed. Once logged in, head to the WordPress dashboard. This is your control room for all the customizations and configurations you can make. From the dashboard, look for the Plugins option on the left-hand menu bar. Click on it to display a list of all the current plugins installed on your site. Next, you want to add a new plugin, so find and click on the Add Plugin button. This will bring you to a page where you can search for plugins that suit your specific needs. In the search bar, type in Custom Product Tabs for Woocommerce. This plugin will allow you to add custom tabs, such as buttons, to your product pages easily. Once you've located the custom product tabs for Woocommerce in the search results, click on it to view more details. Ensure this plugin is compatible with your version of Woocommerce and WordPress to avoid any potential issues. Now, it's time to install the plugin. You'll see an Install button next to the plugin. Click it, and wait a few moments for the installation process to complete. After the installation, the Install button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This activation step is crucial, because it will allow the plugin to start functioning and providing you with the new customization options. Once the plugin is activated, you can start exploring the possibilities it offers. Dive into the plugin settings, and you can begin to add custom buttons and links to specific products or across your shop page. Take your time to experiment with different layouts and features to see what works best for your online store. And there you have it. Adding custom buttons with links to your WooCommerce product pages is a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance user engagement on your site. Remember, keep exploring the plugin's features to utilize its full potential. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your WooCommerce shop with these new capabilities.